As we all know that AQ Snooker's Vision 2032 is progressing very successfully and it has reached globally. And now we have another country added as a certified coach from AQ Snooker, that is India. And I congratulate Mr. Hemant Kumar from Jalandhar, India on completion of his successful AQ Snooker coach certification. And now we are hoping him to perform best for his students, to help his students, his country, his areas, his players, and to progress snooker and present snooker in a better way. And once again, I welcome and congratulate Hemant Kumar on completion of his AQ Snooker coach certification. I would like to welcome all snooker players who has experience of snooker playing, whether they are currently playing or not, they have stopped playing for some reasons, they can have coach certification program. So it's time to join AQ Snooker coach certification program and you can help your students, your players, your young ones to play and perform better in snooker tournaments. So join now. So I'm sure now Mr. Hemant is going to help his area, his city, his region, his country and serve snooker better, serve his players better, and hopefully we see one of his students in the top world ranking. So good luck and best wishes from AQ Snooker, Mr. Hemant. Keep up the good work for all snooker and support it better.